Welcome back to Clark Star Culinary. Today I'm going to show you how to steam mussels on the half shell. Right now I do not have the pot on, we're just preparing the basket. Lay the mussel shell side down, and that will keep the juices inside of the mussel shell and also keep the mussel plump as it cooks. Squeeze some lemon over them. Sprinkle on your favorite seafood seasoning. And we're going to keep layering the mussels shell side down on top of each other. Add a squeeze of lemon. Dust with seafood seasoning until you have all the mussels in the basket. I have my basket in the pot just to show you all how to place the mussels, so I'm going to remove them from the pot so I can bring it up to a boil. Once the pot is up to a boil, put the basket in carefully and put the top on. Let them steam for 3 to 5 minutes. Once they're done, each mussel will have its own little puddle of delicious juice. Just run a spoon under the mussel to release it from the shell and enjoy. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If so, please give us a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye bye.